Let's create this sparkling and glittering effect in Illustrator. Draw a circle. Fill it with orange color. And duplicate it a couple of times more and fill the rest with other shades of yellow and white color. Now, duplicate all the circles, and this time we'll alter their colors to give them a glittering appearance. I'm just going to make them look a little lighter or darker than the bottom row. And we need to adjust the size and position of each circle to achieve a scattered and realistic sparkling effect. Now, you have complete creative freedom in handling the layout. Feel free to add more circles or delete a few. However, since this is going to be a brush, it would be ideal to keep a rectangular form. Select and duplicate a couple of circles. Fill them all with white. And reduce their opacity to 20%. With all the objects selected, right-click, Arrange, and then Send to Back. Repeat the process of changing their sizes and positions and scattering them, as we did with the colored circles. Duplicate the circles one more time, but this time fill them all with yellow. And reduce their opacity to 35%. Right-click, Arrange, and Send to Back. Next, change their sizes and positions, scattering them in a similar way to the previous one. Select all. Open the Brushes panel. Drag them all in. Select the Scatter brush. Hit OK. Delete the circles. And grab the Paintbrush tool. Draw a horizontal line. Open the Brush panel and double-click the Scatter brush to access its options. We'll then make some final adjustments to create the desired glitter sparkle effect. First, change the size, spacing, and scatter options to random. Make sure the preview is checked. We will now adjust the sliders for each option to create the desired realistic sparkle glitter effect that we are after. This process involves some trial and error, so it's better for you to experiment and see the results firsthand. Now it's totally up to you how the glitter brush performs. You can make it denser, or more spread out, or go back and add extra colors. Basically, whatever you like. Once you're done, hit OK. Delete the horizontal line. Grab the Paintbrush tool and start drawing with a glitter sparkle brush.